Hello everyone, Ricky here of ItsRickysZone, and I'm here again with another unboxing video. This is part 2 of 2 of a two set of videos that I plan to record today. And this you're probably getting this the week after the previous video, but here we are. This is the unboxing of my new tablet, which is of course a Lenovo. It is the Lenovo Tab M10. When the model number was the M8, I used to refer to it as the Lenovo Mate. But here we go, this is the M10. I'm going to call this one my mate, I think, because it does seem as though it's going to be quite a nifty little tablet. It does help that the previous device that I unboxed, the Motorola, the Moto M50, G55 even, it helps that these two items are made by, effectively, somewhat the same company. Motorola is partly owned by Lenovo. So I am parsed in the Lenovo ecosystem once again. I had a laptop, I used to have a tablet years ago that was Lenovo branded. But we will see how good this thing is. So let's take a look at the box then. So it says, it comes with Google Kids Space, comes with Entertainment Space. There's spaces now on tablets. Google Kids Space, Entertainment Space. Okay then. And it's got this nice sort of lovely purple sort of aesthetic going on with it. Even the Lenovo logo is purple. Doesn't have a lot of stuff going on with it. It does say 10.1 inch FHD display. Which is nice. Octa-core processor. Dual speakers. Cool as well. Long battery life, which is something that my previous tablet, which if for those who've been wondering about a previous video I made last year about the Ventura tablet that I got with the keyboard attachment. A few people that have asked me about that tablet. Just to confirm, I have used that tablet more than enough times. This is the reason why I'm getting this one. Because the battery on that tablet and stuff is not good. And also the same situation that happened that I was talking about with my phone situation, about my old phone being a little bit laggy and that sort of stuff going on. It's not just because of the age. I've had phones that have lasted 3 years or more. Even more than that, they still run fine. So it's nothing to do with the phone being the problem. And in the case of the tablet's also a problem. Lag, battery life sucks. When you try to watch YouTube on a tablet, especially when you're out in public, and you go from 99% down to 70% in the span of an hour and a half watching YouTube videos. I don't know about you, but to me, in my opinion, that's kind of a bad thing, to me, at least. I don't really want to have my tablet off. I've got a bunch of things I can do when it's offline, but there's lots of stuff I want to do when I'm online with it. So yeah. Hopefully this baby will fix me up right away. But we'll get on to it when we get there. But from the outlooks of things, it looks very just like the unboxing of the phone that I got. Very sort of mid-range sort of thing going on, and hopefully it's going to actually add up to its aesthetic, if it does have one. Now, I need to look for a pair of scissors, because I don't have anything handy right now. I could probably try using this little pin. This is the little SIM door key, or the SIM drawer key, for the SIM slot on the phone. Okay, so I managed to dig a hole. There we go. I burst a bubble. Sorry to burst everyone's bubble, but I burst a bubble in the plastic. I love bubble wrap. This is not bubble wrap though, this is just, film. But here we are. Yes, as opposed to the phone that I unboxed previously, the phone's box. Rustic feeling to it, rustic texture, rough feeling to it, and obviously, of course, made with plastic-free packaging. This, of course, is not made with plastic-free packaging. This is still got that smooth finish to it, very, very smooth fingerprint, touchy-feely feeling to it. Touchy-feely feeling? What's a touchy-feely feeling? I don't know what that is. Yeah, but it's got that thing going on with it. I don't know why I'm caressing the box. But yeah, that's a thing. Let me try and pierce this. Don't say I'm not intuitive, and I've just scalded the bloody box, but I don't think I'm going to be worrying about sending this back at all. Come on, you bugger. Do I really need to get a pair of scissors? I don't think I need to, but I will if I have to. Ah, there we go. I got through. I did it. I did it. I did it, Leona. I don't know who Leona is, but they exist. There we go. I got the box open. It is a very flappy box. Flappy. Ha. Flappy bird. There we go. Okay. We have a thing. It is out of the box. The box is boxy, and I'm just going to throw it on the floor. And then we have a boxy box with a slab of metal. Okay, so don't slide out. No, don't slide out, please. Where am I going to put you? I'm going to put you down here now. I'm going to take a look at the tablet later. I'm going to take a look at what's in the back first. So we've got a bunch of different slots, I think. So just slot our finger in here and pull it out. Yeah. Hello. Why do I have yet another SIM key? Does that tablet take SIMs on it? Does it take SIM cards on it? Huh. Or is that for this? Or is that maybe for the SD card? There is another SIM door key. Yeah, no. I'll never need to worry about running out of these silly things. I've got enough of them going on. Why does this come with a plug? That doesn't. Okay, so if I don't have a plug, these two are going to be sharing the same plug. Okay, then. It does come with a charging cable as well, so that is all well and good. And then what happens in the middle? Is the middle just... The middle is just nothing. All of that dead space. Disappointing, Lenovo. Do better. Motorola, your side hustle does things better than you do. Do better. Do better. Ow, my finger. What's that? What is that sticking up there? Is that just a thing in the cardboard? So we've got the safety warranty quick start guide. So that's what that is. Just evidence that exists. Focus camera. There we go. I adjust my finger just to make sure I'm not swearing at you. There we go. That's a thing that exists. Thanks, Motorola, for saving the planet. Your parent doesn't seem to be caring. There's something symbolic about that. Okay, so go in the freaking bin. I have a bin under the desk, and the box is refusing to jump in it. There we go. Probably should keep the box, so I'll probably take it out once I'm done because I'm a bin raker. There we go. Okay, so here is another boxy box. There we go. What do you see when you open the box? I see into the abyss. Okay. Okay, so we have a tablet, I think, in a piece of paper film. It's very heavy duty paper, and we can just side it out. Granted, fingerprints in the process. Very posh. It's very big. Can you see yourself, guys? You can see my lovely desktop. You can also see Inception with the screen. You can actually see Inception going on. That's funny. This thing's a bit of a beast, actually, isn't it? Very heavy duty. As opposed to the Ventura tablet that I got. It's, ASMR time. Haha. But yeah, very smooth. It's metal back. It's also lighter too. It's very strange. A lower powered tablet is a little bit heavier than this thing. Methinks. I'm not assuming this thing's going to have any charge in it, but we'll find out. So this is for the SIM door. I want to find out if this thing has just an SD card slot, or if it does actually have a SIM slot in it as well. Come on, you bugger. There we go. Nope. Hang on. What the hell? What's this little bellow and the thing right here? Is that just a thing that exists to hold it in place or something? Yeah, that was a little thing for the SD card at least. If I actually slot it back in, that will be all well and good. Very good. This also has Dolby Atmos on it. Awesome. So let's turn this on and see if we have anything going on fancy with this thing. It's alive! Also with a vibrant screen, but you probably would expect this since it's a little bit, you know, higher higher quality. You know, higher range than anything else. Am I good? And out of the box you can already see it's faster. There we go. Yes. I want to start, please. Oh, whoa, whoa, flashbang. You. Okay. Set me up offline, Adam. I want to get into the tablet, thank you. Don't know who Adam is, but he exists apparently. Shout out to all the Adams in the world. Protect your tablet. Would you like a face recognition? Would you like a pattern? Would you like a pin? Would you like a password? What would you like? I want a pattern. This is a triangle. Okay. No one needs to know my pattern. It's for me to know and for you to find out. Okay. Anything else? Navigation style? What else should I choose? Should I choose navigation style? Smart rotate? What the hell is smart rotate? Is that just when you rotate it and it goes, hello to it? No, give me 3-button navigation, please. I want 3-button. I want my button, I don't want my besters. Alright, smart rotate. What is smart rotate? When enabled, apps that support portrait display only will... When enabled, apps that support portrait display only will display content in landscape mode. Oh, okay, fair enough. Finish device setup before you flash by me anymore. Why is this? What is this over here? Entertainment space. So this is a space on your tablet for entertaining. No, go away, Google. I don't want to sign up. There we go. Here is the home screen. Bled up. Can you see all the seeings? It has Opera out of the box. That's actually really nifty. I probably would install Firefox or Samsung Internet on it though. It has Google TV, Google Kids Space. What the hell was Kids Space? Is that just a part of like? I really have to know what that's about though. Very clean interface out of the box so far. Nothing too much going on. There's not a lot of apps going on either. It's got YouTube Kids because I'm pretty sure Lenovo are anticipating this tablet's going to be being used in a family situation as well. Especially as it is expensive. You're probably going to have one tablet for the whole household. So good on them. It's got Amazon Music. I don't want that. That sucks. Google Assistant. Go away. It's got oh, I thought that was two. I thought that had 2 Google apps there. That was being silly. Well, it's got Assistant. It's also got the Google app. Why do you need 2? Although I think the Assistant app's maybe to link it with the sort of like hub device. So it's got Google TV. You've got Google all the Google everything on it, and you've got YouTube and YouTube Kids and YouTube Music. But like my complaint from the previous Willy device unbox, it doesn't have a dedicated music app on it or entertainment app on it or a media center sort of thing. So you can actually just view your photos, view your recorded video since it does have a camera in the back, or listen to your music. Don't worry though, I will be installing an app that I have that's open source, because the thing about going on the store is you have to worry about ads, and a lot of apps in Google Play Store right now, they're just really daft when it comes to the ads. Like every single tap is forwarded with a bloody advert. It's just like, no. So yeah, I'm not going to go with that. So there we go. But yeah, out of the box, it seems really nice. When I first started out the tablet, it was like 68%. It's not died too much, so that's good. We'll see how that happens over time. But yeah, it's a very crisp interface, a very crisp screen even. But also the UI is crisp as well. It's also neat and tidy. It's also not too much stuff going on. Nothing that's going to distract you or anything. It's just very clean and very. It's got nice little wallpaper patterns on it. You can't actually see it properly. My webcam does not do this thing justice, but it's actually a really beautiful display. And you can actually select, yeah, good on it. You can choose whether you want to show it on the desktop or home screen or the lock screen. I prefer having a different image for both screens, so yes. That is very good. I love this. good job, Lenovo. You knocked it out of the park compared to the Ventura. Very beautiful device so far out of the box. But yeah, I am a little bit biased because it's aesthetically pleasing. I have not actually got into using it properly yet, so my bias is maybe showing because I like Lenovo as a brand. Yeah, but we'll see. I will hopefully try and keep you guys posted. I'm not always good at it, but I will try and keep you guys posted on my thoughts on this moving forward, and whether this is a good tablet or not. But out of the box, it seems nifty. It seems nice, and it seems very, very pretty. Who needs an iPad when you just have Lenovo tablets? This is all you need, folks. But yeah, there we go. It's got a tablet center on it. It's got all that sort of lovely stuff. Yeah. Before I keep rambling on about what this thing has and all that sort of stuff that you guys probably don't really care about too much, I'm just going to leave it there. I hope you found my unboxing interesting. I have 2 SIM keys. Haha. I'll break into your car now. But yeah, I've got 2 of those. I've got, you know, my tablet, my phone replaced, so that is all very good. So I am ready for the following year. If I don't make another video before the end of the year goes, I want to wish you guys a very happy Christmas and happy New Year if you celebrate that. And I hope to see you hopefully next year if I don't see you in a further video after this. And until next time, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you for future videos. Bye guys!